How do you get those leads, those big commercial leads?
Right. So one way you can do is a lot of my leads, I'm not even gonna lie, they come organically through Google. Okay.
Okay.
So I don't even have to run ads on Google. We still get calls every other day. And that's because that has something to do with SEO and optimization on your
Yeah.
website, keywords. So if you can get an expert to work on your SEO for your website and on your Google local business, on your Google My Business page, make sure you have pictures on there and you're
Oh
posting
yeah.
pictures. Yeah,
I'm
post.
doing real good on Google.
There you go. Post
Yeah,
pictures.
in my pages, they're looking good.
There you go. So when you post new pictures, you're telling Google that you're being active. Google is smart. Okay. So it likes for you to be active on there. So post pictures, get reviews. Post pictures, get reviews. And you'll be amazed how you start to move up organically on Google without running ads. But the quick
Right. I haven't ran it yet.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's just the organic way of doing it. But the quick way to do it is going, like I just told her, going on Google local business and running the ad. Okay. Because you can, if you type cleaning business in your city, you're going to see the top cleaning companies running ads on Google local business because it's going to be at the very top of your page. That's where you want to
Right.
be at. Okay. So that's just
Definitely.
one way. And what is your niche?
I do residential. I'm getting more into the Airbnb right now. So,
Okay.
the move in, move out, deep clean, that's really my thing.
Okay. So running ads is a great way. Another thing that you can do is you have to pay attention to the type of ads that you're running, the content
Okay.
that you're providing. Okay. Because you don't want to run ads to like trashy content.
Right.
Okay. So if you're going after Airbnbs, make sure that your content is speaking to that avatar. You got wonderful videos up there with ladies making up beds or whatever. However you want the commercial to look, it needs to look appealing and it needs to attract that type of client.
Mm.
You understand?
Right.
Or your
Okay.
pictures, whatever your
Yeah.
pictures are, your before and after pictures need to attract that type of client that you're going after. Okay.
Okay.
And other than that, if it's Airbnbs, try Turnover B&B, try Evolve. Those two are great, as well as I get a lot of people off of Craigslist, but I know Craigslist doesn't work in everybody's city, but it works in mine. Okay,
Right.
so you can
Yeah.
also try Craigslist or Nextdoor.
Yeah, I'm
Nextdoor.com.
on next door. Yeah.
Yeah, try that. What else is good for Airbnb? Oh, another thing you can do for Airbnb is just Google property management companies. If you type in property management and type in Airbnb and just call one by one all of the property management companies that people that manage Airbnbs, that's who you want to target and you want to cold
Okay.
call them.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I do that whenever we desperate and looking for some more clients, some bigger clients. But if you can find a property management company that has like 8 buildings that they manage, they'll keep you
Hmm.
busy. That one contract will keep you busy.
Definitely. Yeah.
They'll keep you busy. So that's another thing you can take some time out and do on your downtime. This cold call property management companies. It could be realtors, it could be for Airbnbs, anybody that manages properties. You want to work with them. You want to be their best friend. All right. So maybe the CRM program is not for you right now. But guess what? It's okay. It's okay. I knew you was going to push that button, all right? But it's all right. I got something else better for you, and it is our community, all right? So I actually have a community of like-minded entrepreneurs, over 300 people in our community, all cleaning business owners, and I go live in my community every Wednesday at at 8 o'clock Eastern, okay? And I also have 2 of my courses inside of my community, the Move and Move Out course, as well as my Jumpstart course inside of my community, okay? And not only that, but we also do challenges and we give away prizes in our community, right? And we also have a live Q&A. So if you miss our live Q&A, we have a live Q&A library for you to go to and check out all of the lives that we've done, and we built this community just to help you guys. It is not expensive at all. It is only $55 a month, okay? But this is my last offer. I'm not gonna try to pitch you nothing else, girl. I understand. If you're here for the free, you're here for the free, honey. It's all good. But I have to tell you about our community. It's called the Cleaners Club. All right, so if you want to see me, if you want to talk to me personally, I'm in my community every Wednesday night at 8 o'clock. We do a live Q&A and you can ask me anything you want. All right, that's all I wanted to say. You want to join the community, click the link down below. If not, get your book and get on up out of here, girl. We out of here. Bye.
Right. So
Okay.
as I'm getting busier, I'm doing all this work by myself and I got 2 babies and it's a lot. I need employees, but where I don't have a full-time job. Like I'm taking side jobs like Airbnbs. I've had one cleaner say, I need help with Airbnbs. I just went and met with him today. So I'm gonna like work that as my job and still do the residential for the business on the side. But I really feel like I need help. I need employees, but I don't have the savings for it. What do I do?
Ooh,
Like
goodness.
I'm saving, but I don't have like 3 months or 2 or 3 months
Right.
worth.
So the quickest way you can get over this pain is, man, you do need to save. You need to try to save something. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm trying. I'm
But,
trying so hard.
but
Bills, man.
the quickest way to do it, try to save, try your best, because you're gonna have to learn and be disciplined. Okay, if in order to really grow into being a 6 and 7 figure business owner, you have to learn
Yeah.
and be disciplined on the money part. So I'm sure you could save, and if you can learn how to save when you ain't got it, you're gonna be
Right.
good when you
Yeah.
get it. I'm just telling you. But the quickest way to do it is to put that booking form on your website and get the money up front from all your clients. That way you already have the money to pay people. And then you look for an
Right.
independent contractor and you outsource it to them. That's just like the easiest way you can do it. So if you have a booking form and somebody paid $500 for a clean, now all you need is a contractor to clean it for $300, and now you profit the
Right.
200.
Yeah.
You got the money. Now you got the money, right?
Exactly.
Now you got to be disciplined again and not spend the money because you might be paying people. I don't know. You when you do it that way, you can actually pay your people every week when you got the money coming in like that. But you got to be
Okay.
disciplined enough not to spend the money before payroll.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, so that's really the quickest way you can do it and get over that pain, though. That's the quickest way to do it. Just put that booking form on your website and get your money up front. Hey, my name is Mrs. Johnson. I am the owner of Tenacity Clean here in Savannah, Georgia. And we are actually members of Cleaning for a Reason with Miss Debbie Zardon. She is the founder of this. And what we do is we actually clean cancer patients' homes for free. This is a nonprofit organization. I love the movement that Miss Debbie has started, and right now we're actually taking donations. I would like for you to help out Tenacity Clean gain $1,000 so that we can donate this money to Cleaning for a Reason to help out cancer patients in need. If you know anybody that's been struggling with this thing called cancer, we know it is a pain, and all we really want to do is help. Okay, so if you want to help with us, click the link down below and we'll be looking forward to your donations. We thank you so much. You guys have a great day.